Okay, the last thing I like to cut on the barrel after everything else is together is the lower handguard retainer. To measure this out, I use the gas tube. If you notice on a Krink, you have some slop because of these springs to where it's adjustable. So I'll make it to where, sitting in the gun, it'll be flush with the top one, meaning that these two surfaces will be parallel. It just looks better that way. So to measure this out, I go to the back end of this journal on your barrel, figure out where the back of the handguard retainer needs to be sitting to be flush with the gas tube. Then scribe that line. Now, to center your cutter up to where it's cutting where this pin needs to go, measure the distance from the back of your handguard retainer to the middle of that pin. Then that distance will show you, if you center on that scribe line, center your cutter with that scribe line and go that distance, your cutter will be centered where this pin should be sitting. Also, once you start cutting that handguard retainer slot, make it to where your setup it's possible to check it. All these are a little different, so if you fit it, it'll be better. Have your handguard to where you can move it in the way I'll cut some, and then I'll take it up like this and I'll see if it'll fit. The part that you can't get lazy about, it'll slip all at once. Now with these cranks, you want a little bit of preload. Once you put your handguard on there, these springs, you're going to have to press down to get it tight enough to latch it. Then put this on there, your gas tube, and it should sit flush. Now we got it on there. See how it's flush with the top handguard? That's what we want. Nice and snug.